Hi, this is again.
This is Alper.
In this video, we will present you what we have developed as our senior year project at Bogazici University, Istanbul, Turkey.
Our aim was to come up with a mobile device that provides users a more natural means of controlling devices. For this purpose, we choose to use Lilypad, which is a cheap, wearable computing microcontroller based on Arduino chips.
So we designed these two gloves. Basically they are the same, but the difference is one uses USB cable connection, as we will show later in this video, and the other one is a battery-powered device which will use a Bluetooth modem for Bluetooth connection. And they both consist of a Lilypad chip and an accelerometer that's placed in front.
Using this accelerometer data, we run our classification algorithm and accordingly control a virtual 3D helicopter.
We have two separate programs running. One of them collects data from the glove and classifies users' hand gestures, and the second one is the helicopter simulator, as we will see shortly. So first I'll start the classification program. And when it begins, we have to calibrate the user's hand, because every user has a different hand shape, and when they wear the glove, the chips are placed differently. So that's why we have to calibrate when the program first begins. So now we start a calibration. At this point, user should keep his hand still, as you can see. And now I'll go on to the simulator. So here you can see the helicopter. So thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video.